Okay, this is a 2000 Nissan Xterra, 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. This is going to be to replace the AC compressor. I've done it once before. This one's lasted 7 years. Okay, taking these bolts off here. There's one here. There's one in the back here. One down here. And now we're going to take off the airbag bracket here. 10 millimeter here and a 10 millimeter here. Okay, this bracket is out for the airbag. Just disconnect this airbag clip here, and that's alright. Next, I'm going to remove these two nuts. That goes to the expansion valve and your evaporator inside the firewall. So those two nuts we're going to move. I'll take off the breather here to get more access to it. So we got these off. Alright, we got it out here. You don't have to move this bracket. You can just wiggle it out. It's pretty dirty. I'll take this box off here and see what we got. That's your thermo amplifier, that red thing right there that goes bad about every 2 years. But that's the expansion valve there. Alright, we changed the expansion valve here. So now we're just going to put the box back on, stick it back inside. Alright, I tightened these two nuts here to put that back through the firewall. We got the box in, it slides right in. Just push this to the side. Okay, this is kind of after the fact. We took the grill off already. It's just got clips here. You turn out with your screwdriver. And behind there's some what clips look like. Here you squeeze them with some pliers to get them out. So I took the dryer off here. Now we're going to take the condenser out. This part you don't have to do if you're not replacing your condenser. We've taken off the high pressure hose here. So we're going to remove this brace and then pull it out. Looks like it's just these two bolts here and here to get out. Alright guys, so the next step is to take the compressor out. Take down this plate here underneath the car. You loosen your belt tensioner here. You're going to take these two bolts off right there and there, and we already took the two hoses off here. So you're going to disconnect your wire here and also take off this bolt. Alright, compressor's out. Kind of dirty in there. All kinds of crud. I don't know what that is. But alright, so we got the compressor bolted back in here. Again, it's just 4 bolts. One here, and the two on the bottom to put in. Then you connect this connector back up here, and then you're just going to hook your hoses up. This one comes with 5.3 ounces of PAG. You can look and see how much you need there. I need 6.8. So I'm going to add a little bit more inside there. The instructions say to add it in the system and part of it in the compressor, but I'm just going to put it in the compressor. it running my gauger. About 40 and 250. Really that can do that.